In this project, we build a complete Google Cloud virtual machine image pipeline using Packer. We start with Terraform, provisioning the basic networking that Packer needs to run on Google Cloud. Next, we use Packer to build custom Google Cloud VM images fully automated from start to finish. First, we build a Linux image based on Ubuntu 24.04 with Apache pre-installed with some web content. Every VM boots ready to serve traffic. Then we build a Windows Server 2022 image. The operating system is fully updated during the Packer build with Chrome and Firefox installed before the image is finalized. These images are built automatically, versioned, and stored as Google Cloud VM images, ready to be reused across environments. Finally, we use Terraform again to deploy test virtual machines directly from those images. There's no manual installs here and no logging in to configure servers. Every VM starts from the same known baseline. Now we are ready to build the code. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check-env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up Google Cloud, check out the Google Cloud Setup video linked above. Next, run the API setup script to enable the required Google Cloud APIs. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The full process takes about 30 minutes. The build has completed, so now let's go into the Google Cloud console and take a look at what got built. We start by using Terraform to deploy the networking and security groups needed for the Packer build. With that foundation in place, Packer takes over and builds two Google Cloud VM images, one Linux and one Windows. For the Linux image, we start from an Ubuntu 24.04 base image. During the build, Apache is installed and a collection of retro games written entirely in HTML and JavaScript are deployed. For the Windows image, we begin with Windows Server 2022. The build process runs Windows Update to fully patch the operating system, then installs Google Chrome and Firefox. Once the image builds are complete, we deploy two test virtual machines using the images we just created. To validate the Linux image, we open the VM's public URL and confirm that the Apache site is live and serving content. To validate the Windows image, connect using a remote desktop client and confirm that the system is fully patched and the browsers are ready to use. Finally, we create a local Packer user account on each test instance. The secrets for this account are randomly generated on every build and securely stored as secrets. If you need to connect to the test VMs, use these credentials. Once you've finished evaluating this project, please be a good steward of your cloud account and run the destroy script to clean up after yourself. The destroy process will take a few minutes to complete.